Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about, are you wasting money on Amazon PPC? Here's what to check. Let's get into it. If you feel like your Amazon PPC budget is disappearing without driving the sales you expect, you're not alone. Many sellers face this issue, and today we'll break down what to check to make sure you're not wasting money on your Amazon ads. First, if your ad spend remains consistent but sales drop suddenly, start by analyzing any changes you've made. Adjustments to bids, targeting, or even your product listing can have an unexpected impact. For example, lowering bids to control ACOS might reduce your ad visibility. Also, Amazon's suggested bid ranges can change due to increased competition, so what worked last month might not be effective now. It's not just about changes on your end. Competitors are constantly optimizing their strategies too. They might have launched new campaigns, adjusted prices, or improved their listings, which can affect your ad performance. Check how your ads appear on both mobile and desktop, since differences in display can influence click-through and conversion rates. Consider seasonal trends as well. Sales often fluctuate based on the time of year. If your product performed well in one month but dropped in the next, it could be due to seasonal demand changes. Look at historical data to identify these trends. When setting your PPC budget, there's no need to start with large amounts. Instead of spending $100 per day per campaign, begin with a smaller budget, around $15 to $20 daily. Monitor performance closely. If your ads consistently hit the daily budget cap and maintain a good ACOS, then gradually increase your spend. This controlled approach helps you avoid unnecessary expenses while scaling effectively. Targeting the right keywords is crucial. Many sellers focus on high-volume, competitive keywords, which can drain budgets quickly. Instead, aim for long-tail keywords, specific phrases with lower competition but higher intent. For example, instead of bidding on broad terms like markers, use more specific keywords like purple dry erase marker. These often convert better because they match what shoppers are specifically looking for. If you use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10, you might notice differences in search volume data. This happens because each tool has its own data models. Focus on trends rather than exact numbers. Choose one tool as your primary source and use it consistently to guide your keyword strategy. When researching keywords, apply filters to find medium to low competition terms with decent search volume. Phrases with 3 or more words often indicate higher buyer intent. You can also manually search keywords on Amazon using an incognito browser to see unbiased search results, giving you insight into how competitors are positioning their products. Finally, give your campaigns enough time to generate meaningful data before making significant changes. Let them run for at least 2 weeks to allow Amazon's algorithm to optimize performance. By reviewing your bid strategies, considering seasonal trends, focusing on long-tail keywords, and being patient with campaign performance, you can significantly improve your Amazon PPC efficiency and reduce wasted spend. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.